the ultimate guide to making delicious tacos at home. Hey foodies, ready to spice up your day? Today we're making tacos that are easy, delicious, and guaranteed to bring smiles. Grab your apron, this flavorful journey starts now. To make 6 tacos you'll need 1 pound ground beef or chicken, 1 teaspoon chili powder, cumin, paprika, 1 cup shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, taco shells. In a skillet, cook 1 pound of ground beef or chicken until browned. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Stir well and let it simmer. Your kitchen will smell like taco heaven. After the meat of your choice is fully cooked, fill each taco shell with the cooked meat. Then add shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and cheese. Get creative. Add sour cream, avocado, or hot sauce if you like. Every taco is your masterpiece. Tacos are better when shared. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty, feel-good recipes. Let's keep cooking together and making mealtime more fun. Enjoy.